In today's video, I will be showing you how you can find work from home jobs paying $75,000 and up to $140,000 in 2024. You can start a high paying tech career without college, without a 4-year college degree, no experience needed, and you will get one-on-one coaching. So, if you would like to unlock the door to a rewarding future in an ever expanding tech industry, imagine yourself as a highly sought after software developer, earning $75,000 and up in your very first year on the job. Don't just dream about it, make it a reality. There's full time and part time learning available. You get one on one coaching every step of the way. You can join over 30,000 students who have chosen one degree career to change their lives and their career. These jobs would take 15 weeks or less. You can find a career that can double or even triple your income in as little as 15 weeks. So let's take a look. How complete newbies are getting tech jobs worth up to $140,000 per year in under 6 months or less is with this website. You guys need to tap in. People who have hired people who graduated from this school, the New York Times, Facebook, Shopify, Apple, BuzzFeed, and more. This is the easiest path to your dream high paying job. So stop wasting more time. Every year you procrastinate, you're losing out on a potential $52,000 per year. So jump into a job market where you do the choosing. Work with companies that need you and are desperate to find someone like you. So you can become a software engineer. Learn to use programming, language, framework, and artificial intelligence to turn ideas into products. It only takes 15 weeks or less. Software engineer, average salary, $140,000 per year. 90% placement rate. Payment plans are available. Part-time and full-time programs are available. If you want to become a data science, get trained to help companies uncover patterns in raw data to turn them into actionable plans that will increase the company's bottom line. It only takes 15 weeks or less. You don't need any experience, no degree. A data scientist average salary, $134,000 per year. 90% placement rate. Payment plans available. Full-time, part-time programs are available. So there's a 90% placement rate. It's going to be a good guaranteed chance that you're going to be qualified. You're going to get the job where you can make 6 figures or more every year. Your first year working. Cybersecurity. Learn how to build and maintain security systems that protects a company's most valuable assets from the hands of hackers. It only takes 15 weeks or less. Cyber engineer, average salary, $116,000 per year with a 90% placement rate. Payment plans are available. Full-time, part-time programs are also available. So you can also do product design. Get hired to research a company audience and competitors, competitioners to develop beautiful websites apps, products that people will love, like the other ones. It's only 15 weeks. Product designer, average salary, $138,000 per year. 90% placement rate. Payment plans are available. It's also full-time and part-time programs that are available. So, if you're interested in making six figures or more in 1 year, you need to go ahead and tap into this website. So, let's take a look. You get one-on-one coaching, one-on-one career coaching. After your boot camp, you will be paired with an own career coach who will help you land the dream job you want in only a few weeks. So if this is something you're interested into, go ahead, hit the get started button and fill out the information. So let's take a look and see what all information they will be asking for. Hold on, let's see. It says frequent asked questions. Are these programs available online, in person, or both? You can choose whichever you want, depending on what works best for you. So, if you're interested in joining Flatiron School, all you have to do is hit the Apply Now button, put your first and last name, your email address, your telephone number, what county you reside in, and your zip code. Also, your date of birth. And then please check the little small box right below that. They will get right back to you. It might take up to 3 business days. So look, y'all, if you're interested in making $75,000 per year, your first year, and up to $140,000 in 1 year, go ahead and apply now at flatironschool.com. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on all post notifications so you will be notified anytime I upload a video. That's all I have for you guys. Hit me up on my next one.